Welcome back to the second part of this section. The first video, we try to convert a number to base 10 using the expansion method. In this video, I will be treating the other method we call repeated multiplication method. We call it repeated multiplication method. Repeated multiplication method. All right, so we want to get this number, that is 3, 4, 3 base 2. We are using a repeated multiplication method here. And how do we do that? The first thing to do, if you are using repeated multiplication method, you make sure the first digit should be multiplied by the base. After that, you add the second number to the answer. And after that, you multiply again. Always make sure the last digit in each question here should be added to the final answer. First thing, we take 3. We are using this base 2 to convert all this number into what? Base 10. So the first digit should be multiplied by what? 2. That is, we multiply this one by 2. 2 times 3, we have what? 6. So we have the next digit, which is what? 4. And what do? We add the other digits to 6. And the final answer here will be what? 10. After getting that again, we still multiply this one again by the base, which is what? 2. And we have 0. 2 times 1, we have what? 2. Plus, here comes the last digit, this is what? 3. So this is 3. So the last digit again should be added. Which is, so 20 plus 3, we have what? 23 base 10. Take notes. Take notes. Take this one. The last digit. The last digit must be added. Take note here. The last digit must be added. To get the final answer. So that is what you need to note. The last digit, if you are using repeated multiplication, must be added for you to get the final answer. So now let's solve the B part. The B part here is 5, 5, 4, 6, 1. So a number in base 3 here. So we want to convert this one to this 10. Like we said, always multiply the first digit by the base. We multiply 5, multiply by the base, which was 3. So 3 times 5, we have what? 15. And if you multiply, what do? You add. Plus, we now add the 4. Adding the 4 to it, which is 4. And 15 plus 4, we have what? 19. And if you add, what do? You multiply again. Multiply this one by the base, which is what? 3. So we take first 3 times 9, we have 27. We take the 7, carry 2. 3 times 1, we have 3. And 3 plus 2, we have what? 5. So we have the answer to be 57. Now we multiply, we got the answer. What do? We add the other digit to it. That is 6. We are adding 6 to this answer, that is 6. So if we add 57 here plus 6, you have what? 63. After getting this answer, what do you do again? You multiply by 3. So 3 times 3 we have what? 9. And 3 times 6 we have what? 18. So after that, what do you do? If you multiply, you get the answer now. What do you do again? You still add. Plus, you are adding on the last digit. Last one. That is the 1. We add this one to 1. Is that okay? So meaning 189 plus 1, we still have what? 190. Base what? 10. So therefore, 190 base 10 will be the final answer. Take note, the last digit must be added. So in this case, we add for the last digit before we get the final answer. Pause. Let's answer the C now, which is the C 2 6 4 3 base 5. So using repeated multiplication, first take the base, multiply by the first digit, which is 2 times the base, which is what? 5. 2 times 5 we get what? 10. When you multiply, what do? You add. So we add the second digit to it, this what? 6. We are adding this one, 6 to this. After getting the answer, which is what? 16, then we multiply again. We multiply by the base again, which is what? 5. So 5 times 6, we have what? 30. We put 0, carry 3, and 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 3, we have what? 8. So after multiplying, what do you do again? You add. We add the other digit, what? 4. We are adding 4 to this value. So 80 plus 4, we have what? 84. After getting the answer again, we multiply by what? 5. Multiply this one by 5. After that, what do? You multiply. 5 times 4, we have 20. You put 0, carry 2. 5 times 8, we have 40. And 40 plus 2, we have what? 42. So after multiplying, what do? We add, plus. So the final number here is what? 3. Which is 2, 6, 4, 3. So now we add the final digit to the answer, which is 3. And 120 plus 3, what do we have? We take 420 plus 3, we have what? 4, 2, 3. You work in base what? 10. Always make sure you add the last digit to the answer after multiplying for you to get the final answer. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch again for another video on number base. Thank you.